on, it's actually the old farm truck. It's a 2003 Chevy Silverado. I'm changing out the regular low beam lights or the daytime running lights. Putting in an LED light, so hopefully it's gonna be a little bit brighter, be able to see a little bit more, especially running around at night and not being able to see. So this is what I'm going with. It's from Suparee, and it's 6000K is the color. It's a white light. The number on the light is a 9006 replacement. It says it there again too, but low beam is the outside light. I'll show you how to change that real quick. Start with, you have this little lever right here. You just pop this up, and then you can wiggle this out. You have to go underneath this sheet right here. Okay, and then the light should just kind of have to finagle it just a little bit, and it comes out. Okay, so going to take this is the outside light here. This is the, and you can see again, the part number does match. It's the 9006 on there. But just to take this plug off, it's really easy. You got these two tabs. I'm gonna just push them by hand. You could use a pocket knife or a screwdriver, but just kind of pull that out, and then at the same time, push it down off the light, just like that. Okay, and then to take the light out, we're gonna turn it counterclockwise. Like that, and you can see the tabs lined up now. It just pops out. Now, this is the LED light that I'm replacing it with. It's got a fan on the back. It's a light. But you can see there's tabs on it. You line those up. Push in a little bit. Turn clockwise. The light's in. Clip that in. And then you just, again, do the, play with it just a little bit to get it back in. Back into place now. I'm not hitting any of the wires or anything. Put this lever back in. And this is your alignment dowel, so you're not going to lose your headlight alignment or anything, as long as you don't break anything. This pin just goes all the way in there. And then you push it back down on this side until it snaps like that. Now let's see if it works. All right, here you can see this is the low beam light. This is the factory side here, and that's the new LED light. You can see how much brighter that is, how much more color you can see out of that. And it's just, this is daylight too, so I mean, it's quite noticeable right away. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. It looks new, like a brand new truck headlight, and this is what the old one looked like. It's quite a noticeable difference right away. Okay, cool feature about these 9006 headlights from Suparee, they're white or amber. So right now they're white, and when you turn the brights on, it'll switch, this light switches off, brights are on, and when you go back to dim, it'll switch to the amber light. So I'm not sure if that's gonna be better for, let's say, a fog situation, or if it's not really that bright out and you don't really want to blind anybody, or like in a heavy snowfall. Yeah, so I hope that was an easy, good explanation for you. If you have any questions, just go ahead and comment below. If you use Suparee, there's actually a discount code right now for the first time buyers. I think 12% off if you buy these headlights. So go ahead and go to Suparee and buy these, or try them out for yourself, but it's real easy install and it looks really good.